Here's how to download Fortnite on iOS. So, in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can download Fortnite on your iOS device, whether it's an iPhone or iPad. So, this is the most up-to-date working method to play Fortnite on your iPhone and iPad. And this is absolutely for free, ever since Apple has removed it from the App Store. So, as you know, Apple and Fortnite had a lawsuit against each other during Chapter 2. So, if you go here over here and search a Fortnite, you won't be able to find it unless you live in Europe, because I've heard like if you live in Europe you can download Fortnite directly from App Store, but you cannot simply download it. But there is a way on how you can download it. You simply need to go to your web browser. It could be Safari or Google Chrome, doesn't matter. So I'm using Safari for this video. You basically need to go onto your Safari, and looks like I've already searched it up. It's called Xbox Cloud Gaming. So you basically need to press on the first website called Cloud Gaming right over here. And once you press on it, it's just gonna take a while to load up. So you just gotta wait. It's loading, and here we go. So here, as you can see, I do have it, and you can pretty much see that it's the most popular game on the cloud, and you can pretty much play it. So if I press on play, I can get ready to play it directly. But we're just gonna do this and press add to home screen, so we can directly play it. So I'm just gonna type name it Xbox Cloud Gaming and press add. So once it's here as you can see, it's directly right over here. If I press on it, it's just gonna open as an app. So it's just gonna take a moment to load up. So you have to be patient during this process, because it's totally on Xbox Cloud servers. And you actually don't have to worry about your storage or anything, because it won't affect any of that. It will only use a few megabytes and you're pretty much good to go after that. But you have to be specific about your country, because it doesn't work in some of the countries, and as you know, it's not loading up for me because I don't live in the supported country. But you can simply just get ready to play, and then just here, as you can see, it's telling me add to home screen to play, and directly just play it on your mobile device, whatever iPad or iPhone you got. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can download Fortnite on iOS. So I hope this video helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.